Laurel Police Department has scheduled its Fill a Truck food drive to Saturday. Police are expecting people to fill the trucks with non-perishable foods. The food drive will benefit the Good Samaritan Center's food pantry and soup kitchen just in time for the holiday season.
We take for granted just being able to wake up in a home and a bed where it's warm, where it's dry. And there's some people that don't have that ability here, and they don't have the ability to have a warm meal for lunch. And that's what this is about. It's giving back. God's blessed us, and we're supposed to give back. That's what we're instructed to do in the Bible, is to give to other people, and we'll get blessings for that.
Well, the event will be from 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. at the Walmart on Highway 15 in Laurel.